All right, today we're going to go over a few things that we want to remember first. Have you do a little bit on that, and then we're going to do a little bit of introduction of slope. So, first thing, let's remember some stuff about graphs. When I am plotting points, let's remember that you do X, then Y. And on a graph, we have X in the horizontal direction and Y in the vertical. So if I'm plotting the point 5, 2, I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go to the right 5 on the X direction. And then I'm going to go 2 in the Y direction. So my point would be right here. So I've gone 5 this way and 2 that way. So this point is 5, 2. If I'm plotting this other one, -3 goes in the left direction on X. So I go -3 and then up 4, and it would be right there. So I went -3 and then up 4. Okay, same way if I am starting from a point. So if I want to write what this one is, I'm going to go in the X direction first. So I'm going this direction. I'm going left, so that's negative. And I've gone left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's -7. And then down just 1, so that's also negative. If I look at this point, I'm going to go to the right 2, so that's a +2. So I've gone here, right 2, and then I'm going down, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so it's -4. Okay, so just some stuff to remember about graphs and plotting points. Second thing I want to remember is about reducing fractions. Okay, so remember, if I want to simplify or reduce the fractions, I can find a number that divides evenly into both the numerator, the top, and the denominator, the bottom. So if I look at this first one, I can see that 20 and 4 are both divisible by 4. So what I'm going to do is divide 4 in here. Well, 4 goes into 20 5 times, and 4 goes into 4 once. So I could say this is 5 over 1, but I could also just say 5. Sometimes when we look at this, we can't find a number that goes, like one of the numbers does not go into the other number, I should say. So I'm looking for the biggest number that divides into both. So if I look at 9 and 33, well, 3 goes into both of those. 3 goes into -9, -3 times. 3 goes into 33, -33, -11 times. One thing to remember is that when I am dividing a negative by a negative, that's going to be a positive. So this would just reduce or simplify to 3/11. All right, now you're going to do the one quick sheet intro to graphs.